Everyone, আমি আজি আপোনালোকক দেখাম যে আমাৰ সুইচ ষ্টেণ্ডকেইটা কেনেকৈ আপগ্ৰেড কৰিলোঁ কিবা কৰোঁ। লাষ্ট টাইম আই থিংক 2020ত আপোনালোকক ভিডিঅ'টো দিছিলোঁ এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যে আমাৰ সুইচ ষ্টেণ্ডবোৰ কেনেকুৱা হয় কি হয়। চ' এইবাৰ উই হেভ আপগ্ৰেডেড ইট। These rooms are made to give you a little bit of mud house and tent combination kind of feeling. Generally keeping the concept of eco and having tents at the same time and removing the inconveniences of tents is a little bit difficult, but we have tried enough and it looks like it will solve the problem. You know, when you come with your kids and all, sometimes you might feel a little bit cold during winter, so that problem is totally removed right now. So I think you'll love it this time even more. This time we have put in some bigger tables also, as you can see, so you can store in your luggage nicely, keep your stuff. We still use white sheets like this to ensure hygiene is maintained, and you have a feeling, a proper feeling of being in a nice stay. You can have a look. These are the washrooms of Swiss stands. Looking at your needs, আমি নিজকে অলপমান আপগ্ৰেড কৰিছোঁ so that আমি জানো যে আপোনালোক ফ্যামিলি লৈ আহিলে you have your kids মানে খেলিব বিচাৰে কিবা কৰিব বিচাৰে, so they can play. So we have all these things inside the campus. Slide, this one is called seesaw, and swing, that kind of stuff we have. Swing is over there. We have a trampoline also, so এইখিনি অলপ upgradation হৈছে so that you like coming with your kids. Earlier we had this one kind of room, family room, like 5-6 of you are there in a family and you have to take separate rooms. So for you guys we have made this room is a 300 square foot room. First time we have added a TV also in a room. So you like being here. It's bigger. And this is a washroom of family room. This is the gecko, your all-time favorite. Even in summers, you're smooth out here even without AC. Even Buria, to kilos apart, that's why we call it gecko. Gecko comes with your private veranda. Where you can look around the entire space. Now I am sitting inside the all-time favorite gecko. So as we have been visiting us for the last 6-7 years, now again a new season has come. We have done a lot of faceliftings. You'd like to see those upgrades and come and visit us. We are same and we'd love to host you again and see you guys. I'll be there to host you. Thank you so much for watching the video.